Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit 10. Its title is My Village. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn making a greeting card. Before this, in grade 1, I have already taught you making a greeting card. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to do this practice again, to draw illustrations to make greeting cards using cursive writing. Write appropriate words and formulaic expressions. Write name of addressee and sender. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse 86. And when you are greeted with a salutation, greet with one better than it, or return the same. Surely Allah is the reckoner over everything. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is suggesting us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us, when you are being greeted, when someone greets you, you should greet that person back. Greet again. You should greet back with a better greeting or with the same. This is what the criterion is, right? So one thing which this verse is telling us, we should greet each other. One thing. Secondly, if someone greets us, we should also greet the same person in a better way, or at least in the same way, right? So this is subhanallah. Beta, Allah teaches us everything in Quran. So this is the teaching of this verse, that we should greet each other, and when someone greets us, we should return a better greeting. So first you tell me, what are greeting cards and why do we share greeting cards? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students. What are greeting cards? A greeting card is a card with some text or images or both with a message. Basically, a card we give to someone for a message. So what there can be, there should be text which is mentioning what this occasion is, and we can add images to that to make it more beautiful. Okay, and why should we share greeting cards? We share greeting cards with each other because they show our care, love and concerns, right? So beta, it shows our love for others, so we should do it. All right, we use different cards now, beta, because every occasion, every situation is different. That's why we use different cards for different occasions, like Eid, exam and birthdays. All cards are different. And how do we make them different? Each event or occasion card use different kind of expressions. How do we make it different? By different kind of expressions. And now we know very well that expressions are in text and in images, both are expressions, na? Okay, so we use different expressions. How? For example, you are making a birthday card. So birthday cards can be with cakes, balloons, candles, and happy birthday imprinted on them. This is how we can make a birthday card. But if you are making card to show concern for someone's health, maybe quoted with expression, get well soon. Now, if someone is not well, someone is sick and you want to wish that person, you will not write happy birthday to him. Definitely, you will write get well soon. And to make it more presentable and beautiful, you can make flowers on it, and you can write dua for that person, right? This is how we make our cards different with different expressions. And one thing, when you are writing a card, the person you are writing, you must write that person's name, that person is called addressee. So if you are writing to your sister, write dear sister, dear father, my dear uncle, whomsoever you are writing, and then write your name, sender name, okay, your son, your brother, your nephew, whoever is writing, right? Do you understand? Okay, so there are a few samples I brought for you. Now you see, happy birthday card, there are balloons, a cake, a candle, and you make it colorful, okay? This is get well very soon, okay? And these flowers are for to wish in a nice way. Eid Mubarak, yes, we are Muslim, we should make greeting cards on Eid as well. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day. This is how different days we can celebrate, and by using different type of expressions, we can make cards. Do you understand? All right, now let's make a card. This is activity time. A beautiful card we can make. The instructions are there in your book. So teachers kindly provide colored sheets to students, A4 size colored sheets which are available. I hope you have already arranged it. So follow these instructions, and all of you, all the students, make beautiful cards. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you used cursive writing. Very good. Now you can use cursive writing with colors and different. You can make it. I hope you know everything. Good job, my dear children. Now it's time for your homework. You will make a card with the message Happy Eid. Okay, and keep it safe. Give this card on Eid to your best friend. All right. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, this is a beautiful wish for your mother. Happy Mother's Day. So you will complete it, color it, and present it to your mama. All right. So what we have learned today, we learned to make a greeting card by using appropriate words and expressions. So we achieved our SLO to draw illustration, to make greeting cards using cursive writing, write appropriate words and formalic expressions, and write name of addressee and sender. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with the very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.